Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to start by going into Settings. Now scroll down and click on System. Then tap on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Now you need to click on Theme and select Show More over here to see all available ones. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time select this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then tap on Done, manage keyboarders, and finally tap on Apply. As you can see, when I go back now, my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!